What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video. I was going to say, today's cocktails we're going a little bit Canadian and we're going a little bit back in time with this one. So this is the Toronto cocktail. So this one is a classic that's been resurrected back in 2006, and then the original was formed in 1922. Well, the original was formed in 1922 from Robert Vermiere in his cocktail book, Cocktails How to Mix Them. So this is a little bit take of it. It's swapping sugar syrup with maple syrup. I was going to say, what's more Canadian than maple syrup? I was going to say, if that's in Canada, I don't know what is. So to make this, it is a 5 ingredient one. It's an interesting one, especially with the Fernet Branca. It's going to be a very herbal, very spicy one, this one. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is get your cocktail shakers. We're going a little bit different for this one. I'm putting 4 to 5 ice cubes. So the first ingredient to the tin, guys, is 52.5ml, which is just short of 2 ounces of Canadian blended whiskey. I'm using Crown Royal. So this is 1 3/4 ounce if my measurements are right, which they are. So now 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5ml ounce of Fernet Branca. Next, 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Next, 10ml or 1/3 of an ounce of chilled water. Last but not least, 1 dash of Angostura bitters. So put your lid on. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. So get your coupe glass and strain into it. So get an orange zest, wipe the glass, discard, and now what we're going to do is garnish it with a Luxardo maraschino cherry. Right, so 1 Luxardo cherry. There we go. 1 Toronto cocktail. And there we go, 1 Toronto cocktail. How does it taste? It's exactly how I thought it'd be. Especially as soon as I saw the recipe with Fernet Branca in it, I just knew what I was getting myself into. It's very, very a required taste. Because I say the Argentinians love this liqueur. Because it's very, very popular over there, especially if you have Fernet with Coke like that, Fernet Coca. But the thing that makes it, I think, is the Crown Royal, because it's a nice Canadian blended whiskey, especially with a little bit of the maple syrup counterbalancing the Fernet Branca. But that is your strongest tasting note that you will get. Plenty of flavour with it, and I certainly rate it up there because it's certainly a unique cocktail. One thing I will say for it, I like it. Because it's not my usual cocktail that I normally have, but it's certainly up there. So that is 1 Canadian cocktail. So that is the Toronto cocktail. Because I know it's a little bit different of how you make it, because you can use a mixing glass if you wish to do it over the rocks, as that is the proper way of doing it. But that, guys, is a Toronto cocktail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and mix it for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers. It's nice to be back.